This is her first peel. So what are the things which we can address? What we can address are we can address her active acne, we can address her pigmentation and her erythema. So you apply, start with the forehead, then you come to the cheek, pigmentation here also. We've applied there. Any burning? You're comfortable? If you have a habit of repeatedly opening the bottle, the alcohol will evaporate. So if the peel towards the end, say if it's there for a week, 10 days, 15 days, it will become more concentrated. So sometimes it happens is that you've been applying, you think is 20%, and then after about 2-3 weeks, suddenly patients will say we are getting a lot of burning, and this happens very commonly in our hospital. Don't overestimate the patient's tolerance capacity, especially if it's your first peel. Now you're comfortable, it's gone, burning is okay. Evaluate this patient. She's a patient who has melasma for how many years? 5-6 years, and she's taken a lot of treatment. She's not really improved much, and आपका वो टेस्ट भी किया था. I think we had done the dermoscopy for her, and it had shown a mixed picture. So she's got an epidermal along with a little dermal component. So now we'd like to give her a stronger peel. We have been using peels before. She's primed, and she's had a series of salicylic acid peels. She's also had a series of salicylic with 15% TC as a sequential peel. So she's been through a lot. We can now the options, first let us analyze. So she's got melasma, she's got type 5 skin, she's got a normal skin, her T-zone is oily, but the rest of it is little dry. There's one here, I think, just seen this, there's one Mandrake tea. Now if you notice again, I'm not applying in the peri-orbital area. No, this is, you're doing the peel in that area. अभी जलन हो रही है? कहाँ हो रही है? किससे हो रही है? Sometimes we have many of these peel kits have a small fan. So you can give the fan, so it gives the patient something to do and makes it a little more comfortable. Now the first thing also occurred in the forehead area also. You call that patient should have yellow peel in that. आप थोड़ी देर बाद बैठ जाए. अभी आपके ना बाद में थोड़ी देर में 10 मिनट बाद ये आँखों का कर देंगे. ठीक है. So let us analyze her skin. What does she have? She's got a little active acne. She's got comedone, very oily skin, and she used to have a lot of pigmentation, which is improved now. She's got mild scars also. Yeah, this she's got a lot of tiny papular lesions. And some comedones also. So in her we have two options again. We could use either a salicylic mandelic in an alcohol base, or we could use a retinol peel called as a yellow peel. And what is she really looking out for? She basically wants something for her glow, and she's like erythema she's developing here. No, this is early, but she is developing erythema here.
Can be kept for 4 to 6 hours.
No, and I would not keep a glycolic for 4 to 6 hours unless she's not had any improvement at all. So let us analyze what is her problem. She's got pigmentation, and this more likely is a dermal pigmentation. No, this been degreased, otherwise she's got a dry skin only. In her case, if you see, the pigmentation is more in the forehead, and the forehead is a relatively resistant area. So what I could do is I could use a segmental peel. So what I'll do a TCA with mandelic acid over here, and we'll use a little milder peel here, and then we'll wait and see her next reaction, and then we can use. So we'll use a combination peel here and a stronger peel on the forehead. So I'll demonstrate the under eye. You start with this. आँख बंद करो. Put a little of the inner and outer canthus. What you do is you pull the skin downward and then just apply it at the edge, right up to the, and you leave it on till you neutralize it. That's the safest way of doing it. Do one eye at a time, and this is a very mild peel. She's not being. This is a peel which contains citric acid along with I think it is kojic and mandelic. You could also use very mild retinol peel. Sometimes what I do is I take the yellow peel and I mix equal quantity of little Vaseline and I use it. But this is a little better peel. Even plain citric acid you can use.